Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Send it to my phone, send it to my phone. You already know.
Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. So by the way, my name is Jrmsu and I'm your future Marine Moreno someday. So in today's video, I'm going to choose one apps, that software, and I will choose MS Word or Microsoft Words. So and I will discuss the history and the creator or developer in MS Word software. And then I will explain step by step on how to use MS Word or Microsoft Words. And sorry that I can't demonstrate it because I don't have any extra phone or laptop, but I will explain it step by step. I hope guys you understand. So guys, let's go. Software developers is Richard Brody and Charles Simonier. Released the multi-tool word for the UNIX or Unix operating system in 1983. Later that year, the program was rewritten to run on personal computers under MS-DOS, and was renamed Microsoft Word. Who is the owner of Microsoft for now? Bill Gates. Education: Harvard University. Occupation: software developer, investor, entrepreneur. Years active in 1972. President known for co-founder of Microsoft and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. What is Microsoft Word and what is the history of MS Word software or Microsoft Word, known also as Word, is word processing software and the flagship product of Microsoft. It is an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of the products and is the most widely used word processor in the world. In fact, it's estimated the Word is running on more than 1 billion devices worldwide. First released in 1983 under a different name, Word celebrated its 25th birthday in 2018. Its popularity lies in its ease of use, plus the fact that it can be used on different operating systems including Macintosh and, of course, Windows. Word can be bought as a standalone product or as part of Microsoft Office, which also includes programs like Excel or PowerPoint. Just how did the world can dominate the market during the last 25 and become the most used word processing software in the world? And what does the future hold for the products? Rise of popularity: the first ever version of the Microsoft Word, Word 1.0, was launched in October 1983 and developed by former Xerox programmers Charles Simonier and Richard Brody. The two were hired by Microsoft founders Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1981. At this time, Word was called a multi-tool word. It was designed for use of computers that run on Unix operating system. Word was WYG means what you see is what you get program. This meant, however, a document look on the screen was how it would look once printed, at least every 2 years. The most recent release was at the end of 2018 with Word 2019, part of the Office 365. The future of the Word today, Word and the whole Office suite in highly integrated and runs of OS X, Android and iOS, as well as Windows. Satya Nadella is CEO of Microsoft, has said that Office is the company's most important API application programming interface. The latest version of the software is Word 2019. Like its spreadsheet counterpart, Excel, Word has been given a number of updates to improve the functionality and ensure it keeps up with the changing computing times. Recent new features of Word include Translator. Word can now translate words and sentences into. Step 1. Start by opening Microsoft Word if you want to work through the steps on this page. It might be useful to print out the page. Alternatively, arrange the windows on your screen so that you can see this page and Word at the same time. Open up Word. How you do that depends on your machine. Click the big blue or W logo on the Office shortcut bar in the top right and corner on the screen. If you can see a blue or W logo there, try clicking the star button. If you don't see blue W Word logo there, choose Programs. Click the blue W Word logo to start Word. Step 2. Create a new document in Word. On the main menu, choose File New. If you have Word 2002 or Word 2003, you'll see a pane on the right of the screen. Click Blank Document. In the earlier versions of Word, you won't see the task pane. Instead, you see a dialog box. Click on the blank document, then click OK. Step 3. Type within the dotted lines. If you don't see a rectangle drawn with the dotted lines, do this on the main menu. Choose Tools, Option, click the View tab now and the box that says Text Boundaries, then click OK. And choose View, Print Layout or View, Page Layout. That terminology changed in recent version of Word. You can see dotted lines that show you the text boundaries when you type. You'll type within these boundaries. They are showing you the margins of your page. 4. Type where you see the cursor or insertion point at the top left of the text boundary area. You see a flashing cursor, it's called the insertion point. Because if you type, your title gets inserted in the insertion point. Just to make the point, move your mouse around. You'll see the insertion point didn't move. We're going to create a sample document in the Word. To demonstrate the basic concepts, so type the first line or text so that it looks something like the following. You'll have to imagine that the cursor is flashing. If you make a typing mistake, use the backspace key to reverse that you've done and try again. You'll learn about niftier ways to edit mistakes later, about foxes and lazy dogs. Step 5. Lastly, save your document in that far top left corner of the window. The highlighted bar will to the Word logo says Document 1 or some such. This is because you haven't yet saved your document and given it more useful name, even though you haven't typed much yet. It's a good idea to save your document now and save it again every few minutes so you don't lose your work. So the main menu, choose File and Save. The Save As box will open where you can give your document a name, so type a name in the File Name box and click Save. You can now say your own file name in the top highlighting bar next to the Word logo. It may not say a lot, but you have created and saved a new document in the Word. I'm sorry also that I can demonstrate it, but I can explain it step by step. So guys, thank you for watching.